Hi students, I am Shaileyee welcoming you to the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division in the Knowledge Club online. Students, today I have come with an episode in Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division, that is the MCQ question and answer session regarding on previous lectures topics. This question and answer session will help you to ready for a competitive exam or medical exam. At first, I am telling the rules of this type of episodes. You require to take one pen and paper only. At first, 20 questions will be run over the screen. You have to write down the answer on the paper, and after 20 questions, you submit your answers at comment box. Then, check your answer correct or not from rest of the video. After 20 questions, I will discuss on the answers of those questions. If you follow this rule properly, definitely these episodes help you to revise, consolidate and polish your knowledge and skills. Also help you to develop in-depth understanding of the subject, assess and review knowledge. Questions contained in this type of episodes have been designed to be similar in pattern used in NEET, AIIMs, CSIR, UGC, NET, GRE, DBT, JRE, ICMR, GATE, GPAT, JNUPST, JUPST, IISC and so on medical exams and pharmacy semester exams, and also for wbcs prelims and IAS prelims exams also. For the sake of better self-assessment as well as thorough and comprehensive understanding of the subject, I have kept it topic or chapter wise. So let's start today's session of question answer. Today's topic is cardiovascular system and body fluid circulatory system part 2 on the basis of previous lectures. If you missed that episode, please come for solving the questions after watching that videos thoroughly. You will get that videos link at description part. Sit with a pen and paper, start the answering and don't forget to send the answer at comment box before checking your answer. Your questions start now. Question number 1. The difference between pulmonary arteries and veins is: former is associated with lungs and latter with heart. Arteries have more thicker walls, veins are more elastic, veins have valves. Question number 2. Which one is the characteristic feature of leukocytes? Aneuploid, diapedesis, colored, agranular cytoplasm. Question number 3. Contraction of the ventricles in the heart begins by the command of AV node, Purkinje fibers, chordae tendineae, SA node. Question number 4. Heartbeats are affected by vagus nerve, oxygen, carbon dioxide, none of this. Question number 5. Average cardiac output is 4 liter per minute, 5.3 liter per minute, 6.3 liter per minute, 7 liter per minute. The largest size of heart is found in elephant, giraffe, crocodile, lion. Question number 7. Formation of erythrocytes in fetus takes place in blood plasma, sarcoplasm, liver and spleen, red bone marrow. Question number 8. Increase in the number of RBCs is referred to as anemia, leukemia, leukopenia, polycythemia. Question number 9. Hemocyanin is found in insects: Platyhelminthes, echinoderms, helix. Question number 10. Hemophilia is caused due to deficiency of factor 5, 8, 3, none of this. Question number 11. The opening of auricle into ventricle 1, that side, right side is guarded by tricuspid, semilunar vas, bicuspid, eustachius. Question number 12. In laboratory, in a slide of blood, it is seen through the microscope that there are enucleated RBCs. Slide belongs to which of the following group? Birds, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Question number 13. During ventricular systole, oxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary vein and deoxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary artery. Oxygenated blood is pumped into aorta and deoxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary vein artery. The oxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary artery and deoxygenated blood is pumped into artery. Oxygenated blood is pumped into aorta and deoxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary vein. Question number 14. Adrenaline directly affects islets of Langerhans, SA node, oxyntic cells, dorsal root ganglia. Question number 15. An insect bite may result in inflammation of that spot. This is triggered by the alarm chemicals such as histamine and dopamine, histamine and kinin, interferons and oxytocins, interferons and histamine. Question number 16. Decreased lumen and elasticity of blood vessel is called arteriosclerosis, myocardial infarction, hypertension, angina. Question number 17. The advantage of RBCs being concave is that to increase surface area, they can be packed up like coins, they can fit into capillaries, none of the above. Question number 18. A mature mammalian erythrocyte is unusual is that it has no nucleus, no continuous plasma membrane, plus Ts, a cell wall. Question number 19. Which blood constituents make up more of the volume of blood? Red blood cells, plasma, blood proteins, white blood cells. Question number 20. Most of the plasma is protein, salt, gases, water. Question number 1. Answer is D. The veins have valves. The difference between pulmonary arteries and veins is the veins have valves. Question number 2. Answer is B. Diapedesis. Which one is the characteristic feature of leukocytes, that is diapedesis? Question number 3. Answer is D. The SA node. The contraction of the ventricles in the heart begins by the command of SA node. Question number 4. Answer is A. The vagus nerve. The heartbeats are affected by vagus nerve. Question number 5. Answer is B. The average cardiac output is 5.3 liter per minute. Question number 6. The answer is B. The giraffe, the largest size of heart, is found. Question number 7. The answer is C. The liver and spleen. The erythrocyte in fetus takes place. The formation of erythrocytes formed at the liver and spleen. Question number 8. The answer is D. Polycythemia. The increase in the number of RBCs is referred to as polycythemia. Question number 9. The answer is D. The hemocyanin is found in helix. Question number 10. Answer is B. The hemophilia is caused due to deficiency of factor 8. Question number 11. Answer is A. The tricuspid valve. The opening of auricle into ventricle on the right side is guarded by tricuspid valve. Question number 12. Answer is C. In laboratory, in a slide of blood, it is seen through the microscope that there are enucleated RBC. Slide belongs to which of the following group? That is the mammals. Question number 13. Answer is B. During ventricular systole, the oxygenated blood is pumped into aorta and deoxygenated blood is pumped into pulmonary artery. Question number 14. The answer is B. The SA node. Adrenaline directly affects at SA node. Question number 15. An insect bite may result in inflammation of the spot that is triggered by the alarm chemicals such as the answer is B. The histamine and kinins. Question number 16. The answer is A. decreased lumen and elasticity of blood vessels is called arteriosclerosis. Question number 17. Answer is A. To increase surface area. The advantage of RBCs being concave. To increase surface area. Question number 18. Answer is A. A mature mammalian erythrocyte is unusual in that it has no nucleus. Question number 19. Answer is B. Which blood constituents make up more of the volume of blood, that is the plasma? Question number 20. Answer is D. The most of the plasma is water, not protein. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's question and answer session and increased your knowledge more on body fluid or circulatory system or cardiovascular system chapter. I am coming with another question and answer session on another chapter in next episode that also will be help you to flourish your knowledge more. If you like this video, please like, share and comments freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. After subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I am coming with another episode very shortly. Till then, goodbye.